Hey everyone, welcome to Marty's workshop. I'm Claire, Marty's wife, and I'm the one who gets to be behind the camera laughing every time he screws it up, which is definitely more often than you think. So I thought I'd share some of the best bits. So remember, stay tuned, hit the like button and subscribe to support this channel. Thanks guys! And if you get value from this video, hit the like button and subscribe to support this channel.
Hey everyone! My fucking voice just went. I'll get rid of that phlegm. I really want to spit. Right, ready? Right. So, as they say, I had a really good. No, don't laugh. I had a really good idea then. I had a really good idea. Of saying something, but I didn't. It was in the head, but the words didn't work. The mouth didn't work.
Makes a change.
Throw something at you now. Right. Anyway, shut up. So I'm so happy now. I'm gonna try and get back onto track. Get back on. Right. On a Peugeot and Citroen 1.4 petrol engine. Now, there is other engines that are the same setup, and my screen's just gone black, and now I look like a twat. Start again. And they are super handy. If you for cleaning out your cab, or, all sorts. My lorry drivers use them for cleaning things, as well as like when they're doing their water jets on my sweepers. It's really handy. So I'm babbling on way too much, and we're gonna have to cut that there. Right. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to run through a Peugeot 30Z.
30Z.
Right. Ready? Hey everyone! Right, I'm going to do that and then into that because I like that. Feels cool. Right, ready? Stop laughing. You're going to make me laugh. Right. Rocks lorry. Now, I don't know what other models this kind of car. Right, ready? Take 5. Alright. This is going to take so long. Right, okay. So I just propped the video camera up and recorded it, and that was shit, so let's start again. Really? Right, now again. Not helping at all.
Good, I'm glad.
Right, this is going to take me forever to edit this.
It's not.
I'm starting to sweat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to run you through how to fit a cab air blower into pretty much any HGV with a... I know what to say. Right. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So today I replaced the... Today I did the output seal on the transfer box of a seal on a Mitsubishi Shogun transfer box. Fuck, that's a mouthful, isn't it? On a transfer box of a Mitsubishi Pajero. Right. So today I'm gonna run you through, right. How to replace the transfer box, right? So how to replace the it's not a differential, it's a transfer box, right? Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to run you through how to replace the output seal on a transfer box on a Mitsubishi Shogun or Pajero. God, that was a mouthful. So anyway, but yeah, let's take a look. Right, one more dragon for luck. Yeah. Oh, look. Oh, come on. Oh. It's almost deflating, isn't it? What I could have done with it loading right as the video ended. Let's take a look. Just stop it. Take 2. You through it, and yeah, let's take a look. I just ruined the end of that then. Right.
Can't you do just the end bit and then just
edit it?
Put them together?
No.
Yes, you can.
It's not right.
Come on.
Yeah.
Just do the end bit.
I'll try. Guys, have another go. Is it? Do you mind if I get back to it now? My director there. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So today we're going to look at Shut up. Right. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So today we're going to look at a Volkswagen Golf boot. We're just going to look at a boot. Right. Right. Shut up. Right. You're making me laugh, Claire. Stop it. Right. Right. Hey guys. Look what I'm dealing with. Look what I have to contend with. Look at this. There. Look there. This is what I'm contending with. I have to deal with her. Right. Laughing and making me laugh. Bloody pain in my ass. See why I'm marrying her. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I can't stop laughing because you know you're there. Pain in my ass. Fuck it, it'll do. In one of my previous videos, I had a right. The problem is, right, you start off really good, but then the more you mess up, the worse it gets. Yeah, let's take a look. That was fucking awesome. I reckon that's a wrap. That's a wrap. Right.
And if you get value from this video, hit the like button and subscribe to support this channel. And I'm the one that gets to be behind the camera, laughing every time he screws it up, which is pretty often, to be honest. And that was shit.
To be fair,